Hello everyone, welcome to Chasing Diecast Cars. So this is what I found last week in store. I only visited a few stores. And this is from the first store I went. This is a Siku Porsche GT MF4 in green with silver rims. Well, I already have a few of these in other colors. I think I have like, I don't know, 4 or 5 different versions of it now. This was €2.06. Let's take a closer look at it. Oops, sorry about that. So this is a handmade sports car that is based on a BMW M series car. I think BMW i3. So you get headlight tampos and taillight tampos. The emblem of Wheels Mustang is some kind of a gecko. I don't know if you can see it. It's hard to tell. Yeah, this is better. Then the second one I got at the same store, also a Siku Porsche 911 in silver. This one has opening features. The door opens. So this one has headlights and taillights that are plastic inserts. Porsche badge. It's a little bit big. Let's take a look at the interior. Pretty detailed. This wing is a plastic piece that they put on there. It even says Carrera S on the back. It's a nice detail. Some information on the bottom. Horsepower and everything. And the collector number. Got to show the Wheels Mustang bottom. Then next one I bought at the same store is this Majorette transporter in the racing series. So let's take a look at the back. Price was $5.58. Oh, by the way, you might have seen the Porsche was €1 more expensive than the Wheels Mustang, but that's still very good price. Normally these are between €5 and €6, so happy to pay that. Now this is an older Majorette. This was produced March 10 in 2014, so this was already 4 years in store, so they were probably happy to sell it. I'm not doing this right. I should use this one. It's a lot easier. There you go. I don't know if I can get this nicely zoomed in. Let's take this one out of sight. So this is a MAN or MAN truck. Maschinenfabrik Augsburg Nordrhein, I believe it means. German truck or rig company owned by VW. So this has a racing livery of Ford. It's got all kinds of details. I'll zoom in a sec. So the cabin, it's a cabin over engine truck, is metal, base is plastic. So it says the brand, the scale is 187, the collector number, and then the trailer has a plastic chassis, and the bottom of the trailer is metal, and then the box itself is plastic again. So you got a, I believe it's a Ford Fiesta here depicted. Ford badge, BP, Abu Dhabi. This seems to be like some kind of a side door. Then got some memories of stuff they have won. The website, and then also some other sponsor badges. A little paint flaw here. On the back you also get some more sponsorship. And I'm going to try to unhook it. Just goes like this. Yeah, there you go. So you can separate them. Just some headlight details and the grille here, no taillights. Okay. So let's see if we can drive this around here. Can even do it like this. So that's that. And then in another store I found this one. It was the only piece of diecast they had in this store. This was some kind of a baby clothing store, and I thought I'd walk in and see if they had something. And yes, they did. Only one piece for only €1. A little bit ripped packaging, but I don't mind because I'm going to open it up anyway. What I wanted to say about this is actually from 2014. Now here it says Hot Wheels City, but if I'm not mistaken, in the United States this was in the Mustang 50th series. So why they decided in Europe to call this the Hot Wheels City series, I don't know. Maybe Hot Wheels was thinking they don't know the Mustang in Europe, so we're not going to do that. I don't know what's up with that. But actually, since this model, Ford has been selling the Mustang outside of the USA, so also in Europe, and it's been the best-selling sports car in Europe since then. So I think Ford must have thought we should have exported this car a long time ago. But anyways, so let's open this one up. So this was a new model in 2014. It's got lens details, and taillight details. So that's very nice indeed. I also have two others that were in this series, also called Hot Wheels City, but actually the Mustang 50th series in 2014. So you can see 2014, 2014. So this is the 67 custom Mustang. This was a reduced price of $129. I ended up paying 97 cents for it. Got a little bit bad tempos, but that's to be expected with Hot Wheels. They churn out so many of these, it's impossible to get them all right. Very nice one in blue, my favorite color. And then the third one I got was the 99 Mustang. I did not put a price on this, so I don't remember what I paid for this. Oh, I can see it here. It's $153. Normal price $219 and reduced to $153. So again, tempos aren't perfect. This side is okay though. Got the Ford badge, some striping, but no headlight or taillight tempos on this one. So there you go. Let's put it all together for a final shot. Can see the size difference between Hot Wheels and Siku. Siku, don't think they have a scale on them. Let's see. No. But they are more like 155, whereas Hot Wheels is more like around 164. So there you go. That's it for this week of chasing. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.